Fix Adguard Private DNS not working on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna guide up on how we can fix the private DNS not working on an Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So each and every device, Android device, has its own private DNS that helps you to block ads and other third-party cookies onto your device. So if that feature is not working when you're trying to upgrade any kind of browser or a browser into your device, these are the processes you may follow in order to do so. Head over to the Chrome application onto your device. After heading over there, you'll be able to find the Chrome dashboard here. So you're going to look up for the three dot at the top right, and when you look up here, you're going to scroll down until you're able to find the option called settings here. Just click on it, and after going to your settings, scroll down a bit until you're able to find the option called security and privacy here. Under basics, you're going to find that option called privacy and security. Just click on that option, and when you click on it here, you'll be finding different kind of security settings here. You're gonna look up for the option called use secure DNS. So here you can find this secure DNS automatic. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you will be finding here another provider here. So basically what happens is, by default, Chrome usually have this choose another provider, and they have a different provider here, a different DNS here, usually selected by them. So in order to change it to your own private DNS, you're just going to look up for this option called use your current service provider. Select it, and after that is done, just normally use the Chrome that you normally use, and that should probably fix your issue. So that's how you basically fix your issue of your private DNS not working onto your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.